ActiLearn.
Hello and welcome to ActiLearn. Here's presenting a short video of school children actively participating and playing with ActiLearn's transport kit. Are you struggling to grab the attention of your young ones? Vehicles is an interesting topic that is exciting to learn for children. Let's check out ActiLearn's Level 1 Transport Kit that helps you gain the full attention of young ones. The kit comprises of teaching materials, cutouts and board activities. The teaching materials have basic description about each vehicle. They can be used as props for show and tell activities to improve speaking and listening skills. The cutouts help children understand and remember the vehicle names easily. Lastly, there are innovative board activities to engage children during class time or at home. Choose ActiLearn's ready-to-use teaching materials and utilize the time saved to create new materials and play more innovative games with them. Check out the description box to inquire or place orders. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.